Hello students, today we will discuss second exercise of third chapter of class 8th. Before start this exercise, I would like to clear some basic concept related to this exercise. So first point is sum of exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Second point is number of side is equal to 360 upon exterior angle, measure of exterior angle. And third point is exterior angle is equal to 360 degree upon number of side. Now move to our exercise. And question number 1 is find the x in the following figure. And first figure of question number 1 is a triangle with 3 of its exterior angle. First exterior angle, measure of first exterior angle is 125 degree. Measure of second exterior angle is also 125 degree. And we have to find its third exterior angle. As I mentioned earlier that sum of exterior angle of a polygon, it does not depend upon the number of sides. So sum of exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Therefore 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. 125 plus 125 250 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 minus 250 and our final answer is 110 degree. So value of x is 110 degree. Now B part of question 1, do this part by yourself. Move to our second question, and second question is find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of part A 9 sides, part B 15 sides. In this question, in question number 2, we have to find exterior angle of a regular polygon and number of sides are given. So in first part, number of sides which given is equal to 9. So exterior angle is equal to 360 upon number of sides, and 360 is divided by 9. So value of exterior angle is equal to 40 degree. Move to our question number 3, and question number 3 is how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. So exterior angle in question 3, exterior angle is equal to 24 degree, and we have to find number of sides this polygon have. So number of sides is equal to 360 is divided by exterior angle. 360 is divided by measure of exterior angle, which is 24 degree. And after solve this question, we have 15 degree. Move to our next question, and question number 4 is how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree. Question number 4. So in our formula, if we want to find the number of sides, so we apply the formula number of side is equal to 360 divided by exterior angle. But in this question, exterior angle, their exterior angle is not given and we have only interior angle. First of all, we find the value of exterior angle with the help of interior angle. Now how can we find the value of exterior angle with the help of interior angle? Suppose we have a polygon and its interior angle is given and we have to find its exterior angle. For this we apply concept of linear pair. In a linear pair, sum of the angle, adjacent angle, is equal to 180 degree. So if we want to find exterior angle, exterior angle, so we have to multiply interior angle from 180 degree. After solving this, we find our exterior angle is 15 degree. Now apply the formula for finding the number of sides. So number of sides, 360 upon exterior angle. is divided by 15 and our answer is 24 sides. In question number 5, value of exterior angle is 22 degree and we have to find that it is possible to have a regular polygon with this measure. So for this we have to find the number of sides, and for number of sides we apply the formula number of sides is equal to 360 degree upon exterior angle. After dividing this to number, we obtain 16.36. As we all know, side cannot be in fraction, so it is not possible to have a regular polygon of exterior angle 22 degree. So its answer is no. In B part, can it be an interior angle of regular polygon? Why? For this, first we have to find exterior angle. In part B, first we find exterior angle with the help of interior angle, and it is given our question that interior angle is 22 degree. After finding exterior angle, we apply the formula number of side is equal to 360 divided by exterior angle and we obtain our answer 2.27. Here again our answer is in the fraction form, it is in the decimal form, and side cannot be in the fraction form, so it is not possible to have a regular polygon with measure each of its interior angle as 22 degree. Now move to our question number 6. What is the minimum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? Question number 6 is, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon Y? And in B part, we have to find the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. First, we know that our polygon is made up of line segment and it is closed, and triangle is the polygon with least number of sides. So number of sides is equal to 3. First we find exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to 360 is divided by number of side, and number of side is 3. So its answer is 120 degree. Now calculate interior angle with the help of formula. Interior angle is equal to 180 minus exterior angle, and exterior angle is 120 degrees, so its answer is 60 degree. Therefore minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 60 degree and maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon is 120 degree. Thank you.